Good afternoon ba ngayon? Ay, ewan ko. Pero, hello guys, ako pala si Jet. At huwag niyong kulutan meron tayong gagawin ngayon na pagkain. Munchkin. Pero, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, and comment, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking new video. So ngayon guys, bibili muna kami ng ingredients ng munchkin. Kaya, ano muna? See you muna. See you. Pero babalik lang kami. Bye! Nakabili na po kami.
To my surprise, the guest of honor was the mayor, and he took a picture of me with the other winners. My picture was in the newspaper the next day. Just a few days later, as I was lost in the pages of my book,
Water?
Kayla came running.
Okay, ma'am.
I thought she'd see my mom go to the principal's office. My heart raced with
Hindi lang,
excitement as I thought
hindi malamig ah.
Uy, yung ano,
was
yung
proud of me
pusa.
and had come to my
Yung
school.
ka-
Then I heard my mom's voice
So,
from
malinis
down
po yung
the hall
kamay
yelling at the
namin.
principal. I gave you permission to give her
Oo guys, malinis
but
talaga
that
yung
didn't
kamay
mean you
namin.
could use
Kaya
mine.
huwag
Hindi
kayo.
siya ng tubig.
Oh,
Putting a picture in the paper and mentioning she's my
So,
daughter
ito
was a
guys,
publicity
ilalagay
stunt,
lang ninyo
right?
itong platito na to. Yung Milo is ilalagay nyo sa platito. Tapos ito naman pa diba is ilalagay nyo dito sa
iinumin ko to.
Why are you saying this? I thought
So, konti lang ang tubig guys kasi bawal masobraan.
my mom just gave me a nasty look and walked away.
Nasobrahan siya?
It finally sunk in that I'd
Butang
never
ira,
be enough for
lagyan mo
her.
ng
I
tubig.
was done
Konti
trying to
lang.
make her
Ikaw
happy.
lang.
I was done trying
Ikaw
to
ba
be
na ko
someone
eh?
I wasn't. I went to school the next day.
Kasi first day of
But my
gawa
heart wasn't breaking. Throughout the day, Michaela and my friends tried to cheer me up. She asked
First
if I
day
could
of
come
gawa
and
ko
watch
to,
them
guys.
practice their cheerleading routine. I'm glad I did because she
Uy.
did a backflip and landed smoothly on her feet.
So,
Kaya,
ang
tapuhin.
OMG, I can't
Ano?
believe it. I did it.
Kaya punasan mo.
Ashlyn, girl, you are like my
hindi
lucky
napupunasan
charm.
eh.
I know, I've been trying this routine since like
Oo, siya
forever, and I
napupunasan.
could never get it right.
So yun guys, mag-subscribe na kayo
Nailed it.
sa YouTube channel ko,
Michaela,
Jed Paradero, at,
why are you crying?
at,
I've been called
at,
bad luck.
at,
At YouTube channel ko na rin.
No one
at meron din akong,
told me their lucky charm. Luck isn't
meron akong artista na inaano doon sa shorts. Diba?
focus on the good things in life. You'll be lucky.
Meron akong inaano. Siya din yung patay na artista.
She got a
Ay,
scholarship to
kung lalel sa kanya, char.
applied to business school and got in.
So, ito na nga guys. Kailangan nyo talagang
Start my
yung
journey of
parang
becoming a business
basa talaga
professional.
siya lahat.
So yun guys,
College
ano,
when one day, Annie told me
sobrang
her
pangit
wanted to
ngayon
see
kasi namin ngayon kasi
was failing.
bago lang kaming gising.
After all these years, she
Diba,
found out
Shawi?
she has a daughter.
Ay,
Only
Shawi ba? Ay, oo,
going
Shawi
into the
ba?
ground.
Ay, Shawi ka nga.
Mom was sick too and kept
Pwede ko ito
insisting I
inumin.
visit her, but I just didn't want to. A few days later, Annie asked me to accompany her for shopping, but she had another
So
idea.
yun guys, andito po kami sa bahay
So,
namin.
ganitong picture,
Angry.
ganitong pictures ang gusto ko guys.
Tell your mom. I know
So,
she's mean to you, but Ashlyn, don't
at
let the anger take over.
shout out pala ka Apple. I-subscribe nila din yung
Fine.
YouTube channel.
Just for you.
At guys, meron po siyang kaaway sa YouTube channel. Pero hindi namin iingay ang ano.
Name, pangalan niya guys.
Oo. Kung nandyan ka man, sana wag mo nang ulitin. Diba? Asa mo yun ilalagay ngayon? Sobra. Patilaw nga ng ano. Ito.
Guys, nagawa na namin siya.
Nung dati po din guys, gumawa po din kami na itong munchkin. Pero hindi po kami nag-vlog nun. Sayang.
Kasi nakakatamad po mag-vlog.
Pero kailangan nyo pa din i-subscribe yung mga YouTube channel namin. At huwag nyo rin kalimutan i-subscribe yung YouTube channel ng Samsung Boy.
I-search nyo lang guys, Samsung
Samsung
Boy.
Boy.
At saka Apple Alasad, and then Showy Fit Bare.
Oo. At i-search nyo dyan, Jed Paradero.
Ano naman, subscribe mo na sila.
Aray.
Hindi siya masyadong basa guys.
Guys,
Pero
pero
nakalimutan ko guys. Nako. Lalagyan niyo muna ng ganito guys. Nakalimutan ko. Okay lang.
pero naman ganito eh. Ala.
Tiluban daw na to.
Sarap.
Magyapon.
Masarap siya, guys.
Grabe ang langkit.
Sobrang lagkit ng Panji Bar. So, yun guys.
Ang tagal-tagal pa itong magama.
Oo.
Kahit isang Pudgy Bar lang guys, napakadami na magagawa.
Guys. Kahit dalawa, sobrang dami na niyan. Pati pati.
Uy! Ilagay mo.
Sige. Kulang pa to ng Milo.
Ikaw na bahalag tuyo ka na. Ikaw na magtutuyo. Ay! Ayaw! Gamayar ha.
So guys, magbisaya muna kami ha. Sobrang pagod kasi magtagalog. Diba, Shawi? Ala! Hindi perfect.
Bisaya.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Bisaya, lagi.
Hala, sobrang
Bisaya.
dako kayo.
Wasap gani na dako.
So, sobrang lucky guys.
Bisaya!
Baka may Tagalog na nanonood dyan. Pero Bisaya po talaga kami. Ano mang hindi? Char, halata ba sa mukha? Kulangan pa ito ng asukar. Ay, ano? Milo pala.
Masarap kumain ng Nutella, no?
Ay, pwede naman Nutella yung palaman. No? Guys, arabuang. Ay, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. Sorry, hindi nyo ko iban, ha? Please, guys, ha? Char. Uy. Shaw. Shaw, shaw. So, yun, guys. Siya po si Shaw, shaw. Ala, nakain!
Sinabutan to.
Meron pa to eh. Ba't mo lang kain? Bilangin mo muna. So, nagawa namin sa isang Panjibar Elan.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 lang?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 itong nakaon. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ay, balik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Napay 6.
Sige, tapuhi.
So guys, hindi po ito matatapukan.
Tapuhi ba? Tapuhi.
Ano sa?
Ito na ba? Noog. Ito, wa. Wala akong noog.
Pero kain muna tayo. So guys,
So, wait
let's...
lang guys. Lalagyan ko natin yan ng ganyan.
Kawawang Shawi namatay nang walang nagkakaalam. Ito po. Yan yung ano niya. Ano yan?
Ano ba?
Tunga. Lasang Panjibar lang siya, guys. Ay, hindi. Masarap.
Gumawa na rin kayo ng ganito guys.
At sobrang dali naman maubos. Sobrang dami nun eh.
Awal.
Meron ka pa pala? Pingi.
Wala na.
Ta, palit pa ta.
Wala.
Peso. Sobrang sarap pa gumawa ulit. Diba? Bigay din. Haray.
Dahil.
Ay. Bigay! Guys, kilaw-kilaw na lang ng... Ah! Agay. Pagkasarap. Guys, may babak natin sa ilawi. Guys, na.
Prank.
Aray. Aray. Guys, meron ako sasabi. Masarap ang munchkin, char. Basta si Shawi, ipaprank natin, guys.
Ipaprank.
Aray.
Ayoko. Ano? Ayaw ba? Masakit kayo ba?
Inano ba kita?
Hmm?
It's a prank! So guys, kayo po yung na-prank. Wait lang muna ha, maghinaw muna kami. Bye!
Mabush.
Mabush.